Hello everyone, hope you're all doing fine. So friends, today we will continue our series on integration. I'm sure that after the last video you would have learned all the integration formula. So friends, let's try solving this question. Integral of x cube by x raised to 4 plus 18 dx. Okay, so the question is that we have to integrate this. Now, which direct integration formula do you think we can apply? Well, actually, if the question was something like this, friends, see, I could have easily split it up into this way. Just have a look. It was easy to do this, and then I would get x dx plus integral 18 x raised to minus 3 dx. Now I can apply the direct formula, right? I'll get x square by 2 plus 18 x raised to minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. But for this type of question, friends, there is no direct integration formula, and that is why there is a need to have a new method, and that method is known as integration by substitution. So friends, in this method, the first step is to substitute an expression in the question as another variable, say t or m. So which expression should I substitute as t? There are two expressions here. So an important tip here is always choose that expression as t which on differentiating will give you the remaining expression in the question. So friends, even if you don't understand this now, just follow me. You will understand this very soon. Okay, so what I will do is I will say let x raised to 4 plus 18 be the variable t. So I am substituting this as t. So the second step is to differentiate both sides of this expression with respect to x. So let's differentiate with respect to x. So what will we get? 4x cube. Now 18 on differentiation will give you 0 equal to t, you're differentiating with respect to x, so it will be dt by dx. So let me just bring the dx to this side. Okay, now this is what I get. Now did you notice, friends, that x cube dx is already over here? That's why we chose x raised to 4 plus 18 as t, because when we differentiated this, we got the remaining expression in the question. Okay, now if I had taken x cube as t, let's see what happens. On differentiating, I will get 3x square equal to dt by dx. But where is x square over here? It will be of no use to us. That's why we take this expression as t. Now friends, the next step, the third step, is to substitute the value of t and dt back in the question. Okay, so we will get I equal to integral. Now x cube dx is how much? Yes, x cube dx will be dt by 4. So I'll write dt by 4 into, now what is the denominator? The denominator is simply t, this part. Now just compare these two. This one is so simple, right? Now we can apply the direct integration formula. So I'll take the 1 by 4 outside. Now what is integral of dt by t? Yes, it is log t plus c. C is a constant. Now the next step, friends, is to always substitute back the value of t. Okay, so 1 by 4 into what is the value of t? X raised to 4 plus 18 plus c. So an important tip is whatever variable we started with, our answer should also have the same variable. So this is the final answer, friends. So this is how integration by substitution works. Now let's try just one more example. So friends, in this question, there is a mix of algebra and logarithmic function. So can we do this by direct integration formula? We cannot do. So we will use integration by substitution. What is the first step? Yes, substitute an expression as t. Now which expression should we choose? Well, let me take x plus 1 as t and see what happens. When I differentiate this with respect to x, I'll get 1 equal to dt by dx. But this is really not going to help us. So I will not take this as t, friends. Let me take x log x as t. Now this you will get by continuous practice. You will understand which expression to take as t. Now I'll take this as t, so let me differentiate with respect to x. So I'll get 1 plus derivative of log x is 1 by x equal to dt by dx, which means 1 plus 1 by x dx equal to dt. Now the question is, where is 1 plus 1 by x over here? Well, let me see, friends. Now x plus 1 divided by x is the remaining expression. So we'll take the remaining expression. Can I split it up? Yes, definitely I can split it up. So I'll get 1 plus 1 by x, and they both are the same. So it was simply hiding inside. So I will substitute this back. This whole thing, this entire thing is becoming dt. That's it. And this x plus log x is t. So square is there, so it is t square dt. Just compare, friends. This one is so much simpler. Now let's integrate it. I'll get t cubed by 3 plus c. But the important step is to substitute back the value of t. Okay, so I'll get x plus log x the whole cube divided by 3 plus c. So friends, this method is very useful and it's also very simple if you keep practicing. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. If so, do like and share, consider subscribing to our channel, and do let me know what you would like to see next in our channel. So till we meet again, take care.